Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. We are finally starting to get some sunny days. Still a little chilly, but I'm excited to get the kids out to play. I got my daughter's water table out, and while I'm not putting water in it, she loves to play with the toys. And this adorable umbrella is so cute over it. This is by AMMSUN. Really pretty colors. It is really easy to install. It has a nice point on the bottom so you can just push it down into the dirt. It has this little clip here so that you can adjust the height. It's really nice. You can adjust it wherever the sun is because it's easy to pull up and down in and out of the dirt. I like how it can be tall for when my daughter is standing up by her water table, but I thought it was also nice that you can lower it pretty low. I thought if you're at the beach and you have a smaller one on a blanket, this would be really nice because you could have the umbrella pretty low to make sure that the sun stayed off of them. It's also really easy to store, or if you're bringing it to the beach, it comes apart into two sections, and then it comes in a clear carrying case. So this is how much space it takes up. If you're looking for an umbrella, whether you're going to the beach, you have a little water table, a picnic table, or you just want to spruce up your little play area outside for your little one, this one is really nice. I like it, and that is my point of view.